In this video, we will discuss on A&ML roadmap. This real path, not the fake, and this is the A&ML roadmap end to end. When this A&ML we follow this roadmap, we master the A&ML. So let's get start this video. And phase one, the phase one, so important one, survival skills. In ANML, we want sustain, must have these skills. Python, the only language that matters here, the one and only language in A and ML. In Python only we can use one and only language. And math, and we college time and school time we have a mathematics subject we have, so that actually gets used linear algebra, vector and matrix and probability and basic calculations, derivatives. How much does this changes if to do this? These are concept very important in mathematical subject, so we know that these are concepts. And next one is library, numpy and pandas and cbar. These libraries are very important in Python language. Have a so many libraries, but these libraries are most important to NML. And classic machine learning, next phase, the classic machine learning. We want this machine learning is during these 2 to 3 months. We have surprised and unsurprised, sorry, supervised and unsupervised versus reinforcement. These concepts very important in machine learning, so we can master these concepts. Ready to ask, can anyone ask, we tell that in end to end. So supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement, these are very important topics. And linear logistic regression and decision trees and random forest and SVM and k-means and navi base, these are concepts also very important in the machine learning. So coming this, we discuss these are topics. The and next phase, deep learning. Deep learning is one of the highest asking in famous also. In AML is one of the in in AML in-depth layer is deep learning. So important topic, that is deep learning, neural networks and from scratch, and CNN vision and RNN LSTMS sequences, transformers. Currently Emperier is a transformers key subject in all our ANML. Is not there in transformer, is nothing ANML is there. And PyTorch and TensorFlow, and these are deep learning phases concepts. And phase 4, there is very important cool stuff everyone talk about. And NLP and LLMs, how ChatGPT actually works, computer vision, generative AI, Gen S and diffusions, and whatever come next, MLOPs. And because making a model 20% of the jobs in LLMs are in in 2003 to 2006 is major impact. LLMs are most asking and most trending topic in the present future. And don't, and next phase, don't be cloud, ethic, ethics and base and interpretable, how to actual ship things, not just a Kaggle notebooks. Now let's concept by concept. I give you an YouTube script version, and we have so many YouTube videos. In coming days we do this topics end to end. Okay, and I will explain in depth in AML concepts in coming videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Have a great day.